do drills for this. Now from here, we turn our leg, free leg, pushing from our feet and feeling like we're pulling something forward till this hip get as much as possible forward without passing the upper body. So hip as much as possible forward without leaning upper body back. So upper body, your spine, this part here should really be on top of that. So now I feel here my hip cannot go any further more, so I will use rotation of the thigh and hip to collect the leg under with slight elevation, feeling from here again. And step, split weight, finishing body weight with the hip as much as possible forward, collect, and step, finish, collect. So I'll do exactly the same backward. So from here again, starting position, neutral, heels together, toes apart, we release our weight down. At the end of that release, there will be a step, stage number one, step, split weight. Then we're gonna finish our body weight with the hip as much as possible forward until it cannot go any more forward. We're gonna use rotation, collect our leg under our body, and then we get and step, finish, collect, and step, finish our body weight, collect, step, finish, collect. And now we're gonna break it down into the counts. So first, of course, we're gonna start with the count and, which is a release of the weight to the standing leg, and 2. We strike our leg with the split weight position, 2. On count and, we're gonna finish our body weight. So it will be and out on count we collect. And 30, finishing, and 4, we strike our body weight, and we're gonna and 1 and as much as possible, and on we're gonna use rotation to collect the leg. Step, finish, collect. That's the formula. Now we're gonna move to the side steps because it's exactly the same. But before I do that, I would like to move a little bit more smooth so you can see that really using this formula produce incredible effect. Because what is a natural way of moving? If you will step, small step under your body and you just transfer everything, but then you cannot do any body action, you cannot lead, you cannot follow. Therefore, this formula really solve all the problems and give us possibilities to move better. So we'll do 3 steps, combine all these actions together, and you will see, hopefully my legs can produce as like more staccato rhythm and the body can flow on type smoothly. So you go and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and especially it's very important on that last one, 4, on the slow count, because now in split position I can really control through that leg how fast the transferring is happening. So I'll do the same from the other side, combining all the stages together. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and the same backward, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and forward to the camera so you can see that body movements, fine movements through the split position using 3-step process. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and the biggest problem